Hi everyone, in this video we will look at the chunk breach of contract. A breach of contract is of course when one party to a contract doesn't perform their obligations under the contract. For example, the seller doesn't provide goods or the buyer doesn't pay for the goods. The correct verb to use here is constitutes. The party's failure to perform their obligation constitutes a breach of contract. Alternatively, you could say that it amounts to a breach of contract. In the cases of not delivering goods or not paying for goods, this is a clear breach of contract. There's no doubt about it. It may not be so clear, however, if the goods provided are slightly different to those expected. When one party has breached a contract, it's likely that the other will sue. In this case, we can say that they sue or claim for breach of contract. We could also add in that they're suing for damages. In this case, we can say they're suing for damages for breach of contract or claiming damages for breach of contract. I hope that helps you to use this phrase better. Please like, subscribe, share with friends or colleagues, and comment if you have any questions.